Hey guys, I'm just popping in at the beginning of this video to say that I am going to be starting to give away a Starbucks gift card every single month. I want to treat one of you to a Starbucks every month, and this is just something that I love doing, and I'm really sure that you guys would love to get a drink on me. So every single month on my Instagram, I'm going to be giving away a Starbucks gift card, and you'll receive it by like email and stuff, and there will be different things that you guys will have to do to enter. They're going to be really simple things, but to make sure to go to Sadie Aldis on Instagram, and this month I'm giving away 3 in honor of this video, so make sure to go to my Instagram and check that out, and let's get right on into this video. Hey guys, it's Sadie. Today I'm gonna be filming a very fall themed video and a Starbucks video combined into one. I am going to be testing out 5 different healthy Starbucks drinks. Oh my god, there's like a grandpa watching me. Okay, anyways. You know, I want to find some fall drinks that are still healthy and that are sugar-free, fat-free, and still like healthy, won't make you bloated, but will still be like a more fall type of drink. I took some that I found and kind of tweaked them a bit. I kind of like made my own things, like added some things, took some things off, so I'm super curious to see if I'm actually gonna like these. Also in Canada, we don't have a bunch of like different things like pumpkin sauce and like sugar-free mocha. We don't have those things. All we have that's fall, that's sugar-free, is the sugar-free cinnamon dolce syrup. That's it. So that's like, we're so limited on what we can actually change in our drink. But today, did you hear that? I just glitched. Today, I'm gonna be trying an iced drink because it's like 20 degrees or something like that. Subscribe and press the bell if you want to get notified when I upload on this channel, which is twice a week. Yeah, that's about it for the intro, so I guess I'll see you at Starbucks. This is about to be one long order. Oh my god, I'm scared. I don't even know if they do this. That's the thing. No, it's fine. It's fine. Do it for the coffee, do it for the coffee, do it for the coffee. Let's do it. Okay, can I please get, I'm trying this for the first time, so I don't know if this is like possible. It's a grande salted cream cold foam cold brew.
Yeah, of course, that's actually my favorite.
Okay, can I get that made with like almond milk and sugar-free vanilla?
Oh, I can probably do that, yeah.
Okay, awesome. Oh my gosh, the employees at the Starbucks are always so nice. Hi.
It's just fine.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you. See, like, why are they so nice? Like, just at this specific location, they're always so freaking nice to me. And I'm like, I don't know if I deserve that. Probably should have gotten a straw. Dang it, there. Oh, go Sadie, go Sadie, go Sadie, go Sadie. Okay, I'm gonna put this on my Instagram story too. I might do that, I'll do that after. Okay. So, this is what it looks like. So, we have a salted cream cold foam cold brew, but the cold foam is made out of almond milk and sugar-free vanilla, so that takes out the fat and takes out the sugar. And then I was like, oh, is it gonna be too strong? She was like, it's a very strong coffee because it's a cold brew, so then I put extra foam in it, so now it kind of looks like a latte. Okay. Oh. Guys, I am not overreacting in the slightest. You're actually kidding. Wait. Ah! It's like a sweeter, definitely a sweeter coffee. Honestly, I feel like I could get it without the extra foam. You can still taste the coffee. It kind of tastes like a vanilla latte, like an iced latte, but the salt comes in and it's like a whole different flavor. 12 out of 10. Would recommend this literally to every single person on earth. If you wanted the foam to be made with like cinnamon dolce, you could literally do that. So I would honestly get it without the extra foam. Goodness me, that's so good. Okay, first one, definitely really good. I also have some hot drink options too. Literally already feel the caffeine kicking. It's probably not, it's probably just me filming, but I'm so happy that started out like that. I have 4 more. I think 2 are iced and 2 are hot. I'm still excited for the other ones, but I really wanted to start this one off with a bang. So try this, get this right now, order it, Uber Eats it. I don't really care, just try it. Day 1 done. I will see you guys tomorrow for the next drink. Hey guys, it's the second day of this, I was about to say challenge. Definitely not that challenging getting a different fall healthy Starbucks every single day, but today I got a grande Nitro cold brew. Apparently this has more caffeine and it's definitely a kind of sweeter, it's like a less bitter coffee taste. I got cinnamon dolce in here, a splash of almond milk, and then also saw online that people usually add stevia packets to it. Stevia. So I'm going to add that in. It looks kind of weird. I don't know. This looks kind of weird. Like it's really liquidy. Wish I had a straw to like, oh my god, I do have a straw. Wait, do I have a straw? Oh my god, I do, because I'm gonna do like work here and stuff. Ew, 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 ew. Okay, that's gross. Okay, right now I'm mixing it up. I really don't want to spill it, so I'm not gonna like pick it up. They did it again. They literally did it again. This one is very different from the first one. It's like not as salted, it's definitely sweeter. So if you want a sweeter one, get this, but I can definitely taste more coffee in this one than the other one. I don't know why, but it has like a chocolatey undertone. I'm getting so like technical here, but like it tastes like kind of like a mocha. It tastes like a coffee mocha, but like, definitely a really good ratio of milk to coffee and sweetness to coffee. I feel like it just looks a lot more coffee-y than it actually tastes. This one I'd say is like my second favorite, definitely very close to the other one. There's a lady watching me. Hi, I'm filming a video. This is like a 10 out of 10 too. Like I would definitely recommend getting this. I probably could have done with one packet of stevia because I'm not a super like sweet drink kind of gal, and it's also a bit healthier that way. And I will see you guys tomorrow.
Yo, what is going on?
It's my camera's broken.
What is this effect?
Okay, so I'm with my whole family right now. We're at Starbucks. Today's drink, I actually like kind of DIY'd it. So this is a grande iced latte with almond milk, cinnamon powder. So you just put like cinnamon powder on top and then double blend it. But I'm actually gonna drink it with a straw. Okay, so I'm putting 2 stevia packets inside. Ooh, oh yeah. Okay, so I have a stevia packet. I'm putting it in. It's gonna work. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna drink it like this.
That was the most delayed reaction I've ever seen in my life.
I like that. What? So final verdict, it tastes like like it is. It tastes like a latte with cinnamon. I would definitely recommend it. So I'd give it like a 7 out of 10. Like I'd rather get the salted cold foam cold brew thing, but definitely try it if you like cinnamon. Cheers. And I definitely get it double blended. Hey guys, so today it is actually my family's Thanksgiving. Tomorrow is Canadian Thanksgiving, but it's Sunday today and we're just having our Thanksgiving dinner today. I'm so hungry because I haven't eaten yet and it's like 1 o'clock, but I'm having like a Thanksgiving lunch slash dinner, so it's like dinner, but I'm in the mood for a coffee. I can't cross my legs. The coffee that I'm getting today is very personalized. It's a hot coffee because it's a little bit more chilly today. So I'm getting a cinnamon dolce latte. Instead of getting it with 2 shots of espresso, I'm getting it decaf because I already had a coffee today, so I don't want to like be like too crazy. And then for the flavors, I'm taking out the cinnamon dolce syrup and subbing in sugar-free cinnamon dolce. For toppings, I'm doing regular cinnamon dolce sprinkles, no whipped cream because whipped cream is like very, very sugary and fatty. Instead of that, I'm getting vanilla powder and cocoa powder topping. And for the milk, I'm doing extra foam to kind of like replace the whipped cream, replacing the actual milk with almond milk. That was a lot to remember. I will definitely put it on the screen. Let's head to Starbucks now and I will place my order right now.
Oh, Sadie?
Yeah.
Wonderful. There you are.
Thank you.
And your hair is gorgeous.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
There you are.
Oh, that's so nice.
We're going to meet is very lucky.
Oh, that's so nice. Thank you. Have a good day. Bro, why are these so nice? I just don't understand. Like, they were just complimenting my hair. It smells really good. Oh my god, that's what it looks like. Wait, I kind of want to take a photo of it. Okay, got it. So we got the shot. I'm gonna taste it. Oh my god. That foam, like I basically just tasted the foam, but that foam is very good. It's also not too sweet. It's a very cinnamony taste, so I'd probably get a little less like sweetener in it because I'm not really into super sweet drinks, but like the stuff on the top, like the sprinkles on the top, oh, adds so much to it. I would rate this one like an 8 out of 10. I definitely do like colder drinks right now. Like I'm kind of just obsessed with colder drinks. But if you want a hot drink, definitely get that. It's so much healthier than a regular cinnamon dolce latte. But right now I'm just excited to eat. So I am going to head back home. And if you're wondering, this is like a sweater dress. It's like a little turtlenecky thing. This is from H&M. And I'm wearing also like high knee socks. They're like randomly, but I just really like my outfit today. So, and I'm gonna be posting a photo in it, so it doesn't really matter. But I hope you guys, if you are Canadian, are having an amazing Thanksgiving. This is definitely going to be uploaded after, but I hope you had an amazing Thanksgiving and hopefully you're not getting together with a bunch of people, just trying to keep everyone safe. Oh, I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's the last day of this video and I have kind of just like a more simple drink to try. I've never actually actually tried one of these before. It's actually a cafe misto, which on the Starbucks app, it says a 1-to-1 combination of fresh brewed coffee and steamed milk with 2 pumps of sugar-free cinnamon dolce syrup. So that's gonna make it cinnamony. Regular vanilla powder on top, regular foam, and have it all made with almond milk. I'm getting a tall this time because I don't think I need that much caffeine today. I am using 50 stars towards this, so right now it is, oh no, oh my gosh, I get it for free! So you guys get those like notifications at the top of your phone that's like double star day or like something like that, because I get those every day. I think I literally have one. It was like a chance to win big in Starland or something, and Grace and I literally text them to each other because we get so excited about it. It's actually an addiction. I don't know why, but we're gonna order this and hopefully finish this video off strong. Just thought I would show the line that I'm now in. This is the line that I'm in. Yay. It's not long at all. It's really the ideal situation. So I'm just gonna be chilling here in this line of 20 cars, and there's a car behind me, so I should probably go. Okay, so right here we have the misto. It's like a little bit of cinnamon dolce, a little bit of sprinkles, kind of simple. I was thinking like, is it safe to lick that? But I think it is. Anyways, this is what it looks like. It just looks like white. It looks like a latte. I don't know why my pinky went up like that. It tastes like exactly what it is. I'd rather have it with more milk because it just tastes like coffee and cinnamon dolce to me. I don't know. It's like, I don't know. Like, I don't really know if I like it. I don't know if I'd order this again. It's very bitter. Maybe it's just my preference. I like more of the foam on top because this is just straight like coffee. 5 out of 10. Yeah, I'd give it a 5 out of 10. Oh my god, I asked for a tall. They gave me a grande. I hope that you guys enjoyed that and got a lot of fall inspiration, fall vibes from it. I am so excited for fall, which is weird because it's like used to be one of my least favorite seasons. Really weird, actually. I am really in love with fall, and I'm trying to get like a bunch of fall outfit ideas and stuff, but the thing is all I'm wearing is like leggings and hoodies because I just want to be like comfortable. That's the thing. Like, I always wear that, and then I'm like, oh, I have all these ideas that I'm gonna be wearing, like all these outfit ideas. Haven't really done that yet, but haven't really had a chance to, because where am I gonna go to wear them? No, I'm only gonna take Instagram pictures in them. Thank you so much for watching this video. Oh my gosh, I need the caffeine. Make sure to subscribe and press the bell for more health and Starbucks, honestly, related content. I tend to go to Starbucks in all of my videos, so Starbucks, please hit up my business inquiries email because I would not be mad in the slightest about that. So just, it's right down there, go click it. Yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day and you watch a fall movie and get all comfy and cozy and try out one of these Starbucks drinks. Also, just like tag me in your stories if you try these and then rate it and give it like a 1 out of 10, like a 1 to 10 out of 10. Is that how you say I give it a 1 to 10 out of 10? Give it a 1 to 10 out of 10. Okay, you guys know what I mean. Rate it out of 10. And let's see if we all have like the same opinions or whatever. I'm actually very curious. My Instagram is Sadie Aldis, so tag me so I can repost it. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.